Hey garden enthusiasts, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're diving into a super rewarding crop to grow right in your backyard or even in pots on your balcony: garlic. Whether you're new to gardening or a seasoned pro, garlic is a fantastic addition to your home garden. Plus, there's nothing like the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh garlic bulbs. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide on how to grow garlic at home, including some must-know tips and tricks for a bountiful harvest. Before you plant garlic, it's important to know the two main types: hardneck and softneck garlic. Hardneck garlic. This type has a stronger flavor and is more cold hardy. It's great for those of you living in colder climates. It also produces a flowering stalk called a scape, which is edible and adds a nice twist to your dishes. Softneck garlic. Perfect for milder climates, this variety stores longer and is the one you usually find in grocery stores. It's ideal if you want to store your garlic harvest for months. Choose the variety that suits your climate and taste preference, and let's move on to planting. Garlic is typically planted in the fall, around 4 to 6 weeks before the first frost in your area. This gives the cloves enough time to establish roots before winter, leading to a bigger harvest come summer. Location. Garlic loves full sun, so choose a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. Soil. Well-draining soil is key. Garlic doesn't like sitting in soggy soil, so make sure to add organic matter like compost to improve the soil structure. Now, let's get those garlic cloves in the ground. Break apart the garlic bulb into individual cloves. Keep the papery skin on each clove as it helps protect them from rot. Plant each clove about 2 inches deep with the pointed end facing up. Space them about 4 to 6 inches apart to give them room to grow. Cover with soil and lightly pat down to remove any air pockets. Remember, garlic cloves should be planted with the flat end down and the pointed tip up. This ensures the roots grow down and the sprout emerges upwards. Section 4. Caring for your garlic. Garlic is relatively low maintenance, but here's how to keep it happy during the growing season. Water your garlic well after planting and then water moderately during the growing season. Keep the soil evenly moist, but avoid overwatering. Reduce watering as the bulbs mature to prevent rot. Add a layer of mulch like straw or dried leaves to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. This is especially important in colder climates to protect your garlic during winter. Feed your garlic with a balanced fertilizer or compost tea in the early spring to encourage healthy growth. Section 5. Harvesting garlic. Harvesting garlic is all about timing. Here's how to know when your garlic is ready to come out of the ground. When about 1/3 to 1/2 of the leaves turn yellow and start to die back, it's time to harvest. Gently dig up a test bulb to see if it's fully formed. If the cloves fill out the skins, it's ready. To harvest, loosen the soil with a garden fork, being careful not to damage the bulbs. Then, gently lift them out of the soil. Avoid pulling directly on the stalks, as this can damage the garlic. Section 6. Curing and storing garlic. After harvesting, it's time to cure your garlic for long-term storage. Hang or lay out your garlic in a dry, well-ventilated area out of direct sunlight. Let them cure for about 2 to 3 weeks. Trim the stalks and roots once the garlic is dry, leaving about an inch of stalk for hardneck varieties. Store cured garlic in a cool, dark place to keep it fresh for months. Pro tip: save some of the best-looking bulbs for next season's planting to continue the cycle of homegrown garlic. And there you have it. Everything you need to grow your own garlic at home, from planting to harvesting and beyond. Growing garlic is a great way to add a flavorful touch to your meals and enjoy the satisfaction of self-sufficiency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Have any questions or your own garlic growing tips? Drop them in the comments below. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video. End of script.